Hi, my name is Jordan Stairs. This is my week 6 coding project midterm for backend engineering with Promenio Tech. We were supposed to make the card game War. So the first thing I did was create a class card. It's got two fields, name and value. And I made value equal to rank so that I could turn it into a string. So that instead of 2 through 14, we have 2 through ace. And then the name after it's all done is name plus equals of suit. So ace of spades, etc. There's my describe method. It literally just prints out this. All right, in my deck class, it's just a list of card. I took my 13 cards and assigned them to each suit. And there's 4 suits, so it's 13 times 4, which is 52, and there's 52 cards in a deck. My draw card method here, it just takes the top card off the deck. And my shuffle method just randomizes the order of the deck. All right, my player class, it's got a list of card called hand. It's half a deck, it's 26 cards, and a score and a name. My describe method in this just says the player's name and their score. And if I print it out after a round, and if I increment the score correctly, it should count up. My draw method is here. It's iterates 26 times, so they draw 26 cards. And my flip method is here. A flip is a round, so both players flip, and that's a round. And depending on whose card is higher, it'll increment score up. So here's the actual app. There's my deck. I shuffle the deck. Player 1 draws their cards. Player 2 draws their cards. And then here's my actual game. So it iterates 26 times. They flip 26 times. And so for 26 times, if player 1 wins, or it'll describe their cards that they flipped first. And then if player 1 wins, it'll increment score for them. And then it'll describe the players so that you can see their score count up. And it's the same thing, but if player 2 wins. And then this is if it's equal, it won't increment. It'll just say no points awarded. And then it'll post my final score. And then I've got an if-else loop stating who the winner is. So if player 1 wins, 2 wins, or it's a tie. So if I run it, let's go to the top. They both start at 0. And it looks like it's working. Their scores are incrementing up. I don't see any ties. Ah, here we go. There's one instance of a tie at least. And a final score. All right, the next thing I have to do is push this to GitHub. CD into my Eclipse workspace. And then CD into Card Wars week 6. Yeah. Okay. Let's check it out. And then now I got to make my repository. So we'll just call this the same thing. It's available. All right, create repository. Okay. I'm gonna add the README or create the README first. And initialize. Oops. And then add my README. And actually, I'm just going to do git add. I know I got other files in there. Okay. And then I'm going to do my first commit comment so I know what's going on. Ooh. specify the branch. And here's the pathway. All right, it looks like that worked. And we will push to GitHub. All right, looks like it worked. Let's go back over here, refresh. And there is my first commit. Woo! Awesome. Thank you so much.